Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free software for blocking applications and drives from being used in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as Simple Run Blocker. On the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you'll see your download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you'll see the second file, run block is the application. Just double click on it. Now you can see this kind of agent friends. So now here you can see by default disable blocking option is being selected. So you can just block all except the list below. So you can block all the application, but some application which you have added will not be blocked if you select the first option, or block only the list below and disable blocking. So now let us select this second one, block only the list below. Now you can either click on this plus in order to add your respective applications, or you can directly drag and drop also. So let me directly drag it here. So I've added the Chrome, so you can add as much application as you want to add. So once you have added your applications here, just click on this tick mark button. Now it's being saved. So now after that, just click on this icon. Now just click on this restart Windows Explorer. Now you can minimize it. Now let us try to open the Chrome web browser. So you can see here it's showing some restriction messages. So let us try again. So you can see I'm unable to use this Chrome application since I have blocked it. So if you want to unblock it, then just click on this delete from the list and click on this tick mark again, and after that just click on this icon again and click on this restart Windows Explorer. Now you can minimize it. Now let us try to reopen the Chrome web browser. Finally you can see we can open the Chrome web browser. So now if you want to block your drives, then just click on this icon, and now you'll see here hide or lock drives. Just click on it. Now select the drive which is available on your respective computer. So let me show you by opening the file explorer. So you can see here I have two drives, C drive and D drive. So let's lock this D drive, or you can hide this D drive also. So let us hide it firstly. Just select the hide drives and select the respective drive and click on apply changes and click on this restart Windows Explorer. Now let us try to reopen the file explorer. Now you can see the D drive has been hidden. So if you want to unhide, just untick it, click on apply changes and click on this restart Windows Explorer. Let us try to reopen the file explorer. So you can see it's unhide again. Now let us select this lock drives. So let us lock this drive and select the D drive. Click on apply changes. After that, click on this restart Windows Explorer. Let us reopen the file explorer. Now let me try to open this D drive. So you can see here I've been restricted from using this D drive. So if you want to unblock it again, then just untick this and click on apply changes and click on restart Windows Explorer. Now it will get unblocked again. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free software for blocking applications and drives from being used in Windows computer. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.